If you've been searching for crystal clear footage, strong night vision, and reliable protection without overspending, this list will save you both time and money. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because the number one pick is by far the best value budget dash cam you can buy right now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best budget dash cams for cars. Let's start from number 5 and work our way to the best budget pick of 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue S1 Pro. The Vantrue S1 Pro is a compact 4K dash cam featuring the next-gen Starvis 2 sensor, plate PIX HDR clarity, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and support for up to 1 TB of storage. Despite its tiny size, it delivers premium video performance that's uncommon in the budget category. Product reviews. Users love how discreet and lightweight it is. Many praise its sharp 4K resolution and HDR processing, saying it captures license plates more accurately than many bigger dash cams. Pros: true 4K recording, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, up to 1 TB storage, very small and stealthy, strong GPS plus Wi-Fi performance. Perfect for drivers wanting a premium quality mini dash cam at a budget-friendly price. Number 4. Vantrue S2. The Vantrue S2 offers dual 2.7K recording front and rear, upgraded night vision 2.0, reliable voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a dependable 24-hour parking mode, making it a balanced, budget-friendly dual cam setup. Product reviews. Drivers highlight its clarity and extremely accurate color reproduction. Many appreciate the smooth wireless connectivity and the fact that both cameras deliver consistent resolution. Pros: dual 2.7K footage, night vision 2.0, voice control, GPS plus Wi-Fi, parking mode support. Perfect for everyday drivers who want dual coverage without spending a premium. Number 3. Vantrue S1 Pro. The Vantrue S1 Pro features 2.7K front and Full HD rear, with smooth 60 FPS recording, HDR night vision, Starvis 2 sensors, 5G Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. The low-profile hidden mount makes it extremely discreet. Product reviews. Users particularly praise the 60 FPS footage, which captures fast-moving scenes perfectly. The hidden mount is a big favorite for drivers who want a clean windshield. Pros: 60 FPS smooth video, strong Starvis 2 night clarity, stealthy hidden design, 5G Wi-Fi, accurate GPS tracking. Perfect for highway drivers and anyone who wants the extra detail only 60 FPS recording can deliver. Number 2. Vantrue N2X. The Vantrue N2X records in 2.7K HDR, includes dual interior plus front cameras, supports 60 FPS, 5G Wi-Fi, Starvis 2 night vision, built-in GPS, and full voice control. It's one of the best dual-lens budget units for rideshare or daily driving. Product reviews. Customers say its night performance is exceptional, especially the infrared cabin camera. The 60 FPS mode is also highly appreciated for capturing movement clearly in busy traffic. Pros: 2.7K HDR clarity, front plus interior dual camera, 60 FPS smooth recording, excellent IR night vision, GPS plus 5G Wi-Fi. Perfect for Uber, Lyft drivers or anyone who needs reliable inside vehicle recording. Number 1. 3-channel, 4K. Taking the number 1 spot is the 3-channel 4K dash cam, a rare budget model that offers 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p interior recording all at once. It includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, strong IR night vision, and excellent heat-resistant construction. Product reviews. Drivers rave about the clarity from all 3 lenses, especially during nighttime driving. Many say it performs like a $250 dash cam despite being a budget model. Rideshare drivers love the full 360 degrees coverage. Pros: full 3-camera setup, front plus rear plus inside, 4K main camera plus 2K rear, excellent infrared night vision, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Best value for the money. Perfect for drivers who want complete front, rear, and interior coverage at the best price possible. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. After comparing all 5 models, the 3-channel 4K dash cam stands out as the best budget dash cam for 2025. It delivers the highest overall value, the most coverage, and the best feature set for the price, making it the clear winner. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top gadget reviews.